Nate in your state.
You don't need napkins, this thing does tend to get a little messy. Everything is right by that Coca-Cola fridge for you. Enjoy, you guys.
Thank you.
Let's put that there for the camera. Oh man, you know I'm not a drinker, so I'm just going to give this a try yet again. Okay. Surprisingly, you don't even taste the alcohol in it. But I need to be careful before my speech starts to slur, and then I'll have a very, very funny NateInYoState episode that's not going to be children friendly. So, yeah, it's the first time for everything. You don't really taste the rum, but you have to let it sit on your tongue for a bit. But other than that, if you just take your spoon and you swallow it, you ain't going to taste it. The aftertaste of the alcohol kicks in. That's where it comes. But yeah, I approve.